How to disable cookies on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off the cookies on Opera. So first thing, go to Opera app and this is the home page. Now go down here, click on this option, click here, and now scroll down until you find advanced option. Here is it right here. Click on it and click on cookies. Now click on disable right here. Now as you can see, the cookies are disabled successfully, easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.